Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet M1536dnf MFP printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome and in search type HP LaserJet M1536dnf MFP printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from support.hp.com, official website of the HP printer, and here we find our printer name. Open the first link. Official website is open. Here we find our printer name HP LaserJet Pro M1536dnf multi-function printer. Okay, here we find our operating system. If operating system is not right or bit is not right, then click on choose a different OS, select Windows, and in version select Windows 10 32-bit if 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. After that, click on the update and it's refresh your page and new drivers are available on your screen. Scroll down. After that, scroll down and here we find driver product installation software, and here we find our drivers. Click on this download button. Click on download and it's redirect you to the another web page, and download is started at the top. Here we find our download is started and it's take few seconds depending on our internet speed. Wait for a few seconds to completely download these drivers. Download are completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file, and this setup file is actually a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. Right click on it, click on the extract files, click on the OK. Now it's extracting our zip file and it takes few seconds. So be patient and wait for a few seconds to completely and properly unzip this whole folder. Okay, our folder is unzipped now. Go to the desktop. Here we find newly created folder. Double click on it. Here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is install it. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on the add a printer or scanner and wait for a few seconds. New options are pop up on a few seconds. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find many options in add a printer. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select that. Click on the next. Here we find many options. Go to the existing port. Click at here. Here we find many options. If you find option .4_001 HP printer device HP port, then select that. If you not find any HP port, then the next option is USB. Select any USB port that you want. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port that you find. I select USB port. Click on the next. Click on the Have Disk. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop. Go to the desktop. Here we find one new folder or the newly extracted folder or unzip folder. Double click on it. Here we find some files. Select any file that you want. Select any file. Click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find HP LaserJet M1530 MFP series. It is a series printer. In this series printer, our printer name HP LaserJet M1536dnf MFP printer is also included. Select this printer, click on the next, give any name that you like. I give HP LaserJet M1536 DNF MFV. Give any name that you like and click on the next. It is installing our printer and it's take few minutes, so be a patient and wait for few minutes to properly install this printer on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. Our printer is now properly installed. If you want to share this in the network, then last option, I don't, so I select do not share this printer. First option, click on next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next option is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, if you find your printer name HP LaserJet M1536dnf MFP, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.